No, no, I get up. No, 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 I get up. No, no, can't deny it. No, no, I get up.
Hello everyone, this is Sabi Musafir by Jai Jagannath, and I hope everyone is doing really fine. And it's been a long time since I made my last vlog, and this time I chose to explore Barampur, a beautiful city in the district of Ganjam, Odisha. And the first place I'm heading towards is Gopalpur Sea Beach. And if you have heard of Gopalpur, it has a rich cultural history of being one of the commercial ports from the times of ancient Kalinga, and it's also one of the cleanest sea beaches in India. So let's explore this. People, stay tuned. Hello everyone, this is Savi Musafir, and right now I'm here at a place called Tara Tarini Temple. It is situated on the Kumari Hills on the banks of Rusikalya River. It has a great religious significance, and it is considered to be one of the 4 Sakti Pithas all over India. So let's explore this place. I'll show you how beautiful this place is. So basically, to visit this place from the ground, there are 3 ways you can take. One is through steps. There are around 1,000 steps which you can cover. There is a road, you can carry your vehicles. There are buses also carrying, and also there is a special rope way which you can take the facility and come to the top. The view is very scenic, and I'll be taking the rope way. Hi people, I'm here at a place called Tampara Lake. So Tampara Lake is one of the largest freshwater lakes of our state, and it is nearby the Chilika Lagoon, and it is known for its rich ecological diversity. And also this place is being newly constructed to attract tourists. So let's explore these places. हेलो, अभी हम लोग एक बोट राइड लेंगे ये वाला, एंड दिस बोट राइड कॉस्ट यू अराउंड ₹100 per person, and it will make you roam around the outskirts of this lake for about 15 minutes. Let's enjoy this ride. Hi everyone, I'm here at Ramalingeshwar Park, and this is a walk around park actually, with the reservoir in between and Lord Shiva statue which is there at the center of this reservoir. And this was recently inaugurated by our Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, and a total of 12 crores has been spent to magnify the beauty of this park. As you can see, Hello everyone, this is Ravi Musafir again, and I'm here at a place called the Little Tibet of Odisha. And this place is situated on the outskirts of Barampur called Jirang. And this monastery is called the Padmasambhava Monastery, which is a Buddhist monastery. And this place has a very good historical significance because when China invaded the Tibet in 1959, a lot of Tibetan and those people decided to travel to India and settle here. And this is Jirang in Chandragiri, one of the places they settled. And this monastery is one of the largest and the most beautiful Buddhist monastery in the eastern India. And this place was inaugurated by himself, the great Dalai Lama, in 2010. So let's explore this place. Hi people. So nearby to the Jirang monastery, there's this waterfall called the Khasada waterfall. In Odia, we call the waterfall as Jalaprapata. So let's explore this place. Hi people, so my next destination is Taptapani. So Taptapani is a hot spring. As you know, a hot spring, the water comes from within the earth and it's very hot. So this is the hot spring that we are talking of. And यहाँ पे बगल में एक मंदिर है, दूसरे साइड से भी मंदिर है. और यहाँ पे ये जो पानी आता है, गर्म पानी, यहाँ से यहाँ पे ये लोग आते हैं so that people can go and feel the warmth of the water. Hi दोस्तों, कैसे हैं? And right now I'm visiting this place which is called the Kashmir of Odisha. Yes, the name of this place is Daringbadi, which is situated around 120 kilometers away from the Barampur city. And this place is best suited to visit in the months of December during the winter time when snowfall actually happens. And the beauty of this place is really unmatched, and you can come around to visit. I'm visiting right now in this summer season, but still the freshness of this place, the lush green, everything is so amazing. The vibe is so good, and I think if you're in Odisha, you should come and visit this place. This is a must visit place if you love trekking and if you love mountains. So let's explore this place. Hi people, as you can see right now I'm here at a pine forest in Daringbadi. It's so beautiful, and I remember the last time I have seen this kind of a beautiful pine forest is in Kodaikanal, which I traveled 2 years back, and it's almost the same view right here right now, and the same amount of serenity that I felt that time. So what I want to highlight here is that Odisha actually doesn't lack in beautiful destination. what it lacks is the acknowledgement of the people, and also the willingness to travel and explore all these beautiful places. So if you get a chance, do visit all these beautiful places.